What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my garage. Come over, take a look at all this. So first, we have my welding table. Got it for about 70 bucks in steel. Fence post legs. Welded it together. This has been Old Faithful right here. And here is the famous $900 RX8. This will be the twin turbo LS swapped vehicle on megasquirt. Come around, take a look inside of it. Even came with the spare tire. Alright, this is going to be part of my jig setup right here. We got a hollowed out block, and I have an empty 4L60E here. Bolt all that up. When I go to fab the mounts, I can check the angles, I can get everything sitting without having a whole bunch of weight, not fighting anything. Make fabrication a lot easier. And of course, we got the trusty old Pittsburgh over here. And of course, you gotta have a garage with AC. You gotta work comfortable. But when I don't have AC, doors are open, you gotta have a bug zapper. We're in the South, of course. A couple smart people might have seen what we have right here. This is Cam's subframe. We're gonna put this over on the welding table, make a jig to make our own subframe. Over here, we have somebody's pistons soaking. So we get ready to build a motor and gap some rings. And this is my absolute favorite cleaning solution. That's my second can that's getting a little dirty, so I need to swap that out. Want to hook a pump to it, put a filter on it, clean it out a little bit better. That might be a future video. An old Husky. I got this on sale for $700. And what do you think it's filled with? Yeah, you're right. Harbor Freight. Love it. Come on back here. Somebody mentioned they wanted to see a full disassembly video, so I have a 5.3 here. We are going to fully disassemble this part by part on video if you guys want. Gotta have enough likes or comments about it, and I'll do a video about that. That is gonna go in the Mazda B2300 pickup truck. Over here, in front of my E85, is the LS1 that's gonna go into that RX8. I've already fully assembled this motor, so I don't have an assembly video, but it's just a Gen 3, all new gaskets, all new bearings. Rings are already gapped at 28 thousandths for boost. And if you take a look over here, Cam, we have a full set of BTRs in here. Make sure we don't puke any bearings out in the motor, because I'm probably going to spin it to about 7,000 RPM all the time. And yes, this has the infamous sloppy stage 2. Thank you, Matt Happel, for that one. Oh, and pack 1218 springs. So behind the E85 that I have in here, this is my powder coating oven I got for another 50 bucks. I do all my powder coating in here. See some gold on here that I've done a couple valve covers already. I'll probably end up doing those valve covers. I don't know if I should do them red to match the car, or maybe gold or something to match the wheels that are going to go on it. Let me know. Hit me up in the comments. I forgot to mention, I got these nice set of T-ins here for the RX8. Got it in for a heck of a price. I think I paid $300 for them. I think they're about $680. Those will be going on. And I forgot to mention also, I am going to fully repaint this car. I have about $700 in material. So this is a somewhat budget build, somewhat not. And it's a tri-stage red. If you guys want to see a bodywork and paint video, comment, like, let me know. All right, Cam, let's go upstairs. All right, here we are upstairs. I got a couple 4L60Es. This is the one that's going to go in the RX8. I got this from a junkyard. Said it didn't run, didn't drive, but it still has the part numbers and everything on the clutches. When I took it apart, the pump was rattling. I think it just had a bad pump. So I'm just going to put a couple hard parts in this, build it, put it in the car. And of course down here we have the old cam, couple accessories, LS ECU, got the megasquirt stuff sitting in there, got my turbos. That's a CRZ turbo, possibly gonna put that one in, that'll be another video. Intercooler for the RX8, intercooler for the LS truck, possibly if I turbo that. Whole bunch of piping accessories in that box. This one right here had a couple good hard parts I was going to steal out of it. This is out of my big truck that's outside. Had a U-joint come out, cracked the housing on it, worked fine other than that, so she's now a donor. And you have to kind of excuse the mess here. Live in South Carolina, right on the coast. Matthew and Irma brought about 4 foot of water on the land, so my whole garage was underwater. And when this last one just came by, I had to get everything out of the garage, but slowly this will all be going back down. Welcome to my editing station, or my gaming rig, pretty much. Got a Ryzen 2700X, overclocked to 4.2 gigahertz, water cooled, MSI 2070 RTX card. I think this is the Gaming Z, the upgraded one. Got a 43-inch TV I play on or do some other stuff with. And right here, this is where all the work gets done. Going over my build list right now on the order I want to work on everything. And I got DaVinci Resolve 16 over here. This obviously is probably going to be my 3rd video, so give me a break. If you got any tips, tricks, let me know. And definitely a shout out to all you guys, all 85 subscribers, and everybody that's watched and liked the video. We definitely appreciate it. And any ideas, please let us know.